How to check your hours on PS4. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can check your hours on PS4, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you want to check your hours on PS4, let's say that you head over to your profile tab here. Now because this option is actually available for PS5 users, what happens is that on PS5 if you go to the game section, here along with the progress of the game you would also be able to see the number of hours you have played that game. But then as for this, you can see that there is no number of hours but only the progress. Now unfortunately PS4 doesn't offer you that kind of option, but don't worry, what you can do is even if you don't own a PS5, if you have someone who owns a PS5 such as your friends, your siblings, your relatives, all you have to do is just log in your PlayStation account to that PS5 and you don't have to play the games, because what happens is that all of your histories are already tracked by your PlayStation account, but only the thing is they don't show you on PS4. But when you log in the exact same account on your friend's PS5 or maybe someone else's PS5, they will actually give you the data as to how many hours you have played a game. I know this might sound quite disappointing for some of you guys who was looking to try it and find it out on their PS4, but if PlayStation and Sony themselves does not give you this option, no one else will be able to do so. So that's the thing I want you to understand as a PS4 game player. The account has the data, PS4 doesn't show it, but when you log in that same account on your PS5, it will show the data and the hours played. Doesn't necessarily mean that you have to play the game on PS5. Even if you have played the game on PS4, when you log in the account, it will just show up on your PS5. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.